Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best LED lights is probably one of the most visually stunning accessories you can get for your Xbox Series X. Today, we're diving deep into the world of these vibrant lights, exploring their features, installation process, and overall impact on your gaming setup. From customizable colors to dynamic lighting modes, we'll uncover how these lights can transform your gaming experience and make your console stand out from the crowd. Number 5. Fosmon Xbox Controller Rechargeable Battery Kit. Tired of buying disposable batteries? This kit helps you save money by saying goodbye to AA batteries. It includes high-capacity rechargeable batteries compatible with your Xbox controllers. Don't let a dead battery ruin your game. These batteries offer up to 40 hours of playtime each. With the included charger, they fully charge in just 4.5 hours. Charge 2 batteries at once with the dual-port charger. Keep one battery ready to go while the other charges. The charger can be powered by your console or any USB power source. Rest easy knowing these batteries are UL certified. They feature overcharge and overcurrent protection, extending their lifespan to over 1,000 charge cycles. The LED indicator shows the charging status. This product is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Check the manufacturer's website for more details. Invest in a reliable and long-lasting power solution for your gaming. What we like. This kit eliminates the need for disposable batteries, saving you money and hassle. It offers extended playtime, ensuring your gaming sessions aren't cut short. If you're tired of constantly buying batteries and want a reliable, long-lasting power solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They seem fairly well made, and works great. The batteries stay charged for hours. The fit and finish on the battery replacement pack is great, no wobbling or poor connections. The controllers sit well in the base, and the charging indication lights work as advertised. Battery life is awesome. Number 4. KANTUTOE 16.4 feet LED TV Backlight. This LED strip offers 16 million colors, perfect for setting the mood. It enhances your viewing experience, making everything more vibrant and engaging. Connect to the app via Bluetooth to control the lights. You can easily adjust the colors and modes. It's simple to create the perfect ambience. The built-in microphone allows the lights to sync with your music. Watch the colors dance to the beat, creating a dynamic atmosphere. It's ideal for parties or relaxing. Perfect for various settings, from living rooms to gaming rooms. It's also great for holidays like Halloween and Christmas. The USB power supply is safe and convenient. The 16.4-foot strip is designed to fit TVs from 45 to 75 inches. The strong adhesive ensures it stays securely in place. Installation is quick and easy. What we like. This product transforms your TV into a dynamic entertainment hub with vibrant, customizable lighting. It allows you to sync the lights with your music, creating an immersive atmosphere for gaming or movie nights. If you like to create a personalized and engaging viewing experience, this is the ideal product. What people say. The lights look amazing and are easy to install. The lights are very bright and the colors are vibrant. The lights fit perfectly and don't block any vents. Number 3. MENEEA Cooling Fan for Xbox Series X. This is the MENEEA cooling fan, designed specifically for your Xbox Series X. It integrates multiple functions to keep your console running smoothly and prevent overheating. It also helps to prevent dust from entering the console. The built-in high-speed fan quickly exhausts hot air. It features 3 adjustable gears, indicated by different colors, and operates quietly. You'll barely notice it's there, but the cooling effect is significant. The fan includes a colorful light strip with an independent touch switch. You can choose from 6 different colors or a mixed color mode to create the perfect atmosphere. Press the switch again to turn the light off. It offers 2 USB ports. One is a blue 3.0 USB port for data transmission, and the other is a white 2.0 port for charging devices. This provides convenient access for your controllers and other accessories. The top of the fan includes a dust cover and filter to protect your console. It comes with dust covers and silicone dust plugs that are easy to install and replace. This helps extend the life of your Xbox Series X. What we like. This accessory keeps your console cool and clean, extending its lifespan. It features a colorful light strip to customize your gaming setup. If you want to protect your console from overheating and dust while adding a touch of style, it's a must-have. What people say. It fits perfectly on top of the console and starts working right away, no setup hassle at all. I really like the LED temperature display and how the fan automatically adjusts its speed depending on how hot the console gets. The colorful light strip is a nice touch, it makes the console look even better and can be adjusted to match the rest of my setup. Number 2. DXKK Xbox Controller Battery Pack. Tired of constantly swapping batteries? This battery pack is designed for Xbox Series XS, One, and Elite controllers. It offers a convenient way to charge, with multiple charging ports for your convenience. Enjoy up to 30 hours of playtime with each 6,200 mAh battery. No more interruptions during your gaming sessions. This will save you time and let you have more fun with friends and family. It supports Type-C, micro USB, and adapter charging. This gives you multiple options for charging your batteries. You can charge it in various ways. Get a full charge in about 3 hours. The charging indicators will turn green when fully charged. It is a great gift for your friends and family. It uses advanced technology for safe charging. The anti-overcharge protection ensures safety. It can still hold 100% power after many recharges. What we like. This battery pack provides extended playtime, so you can game for hours without interruption. It supports fast charging, minimizing downtime. If you're a serious gamer who values convenience and long gaming sessions, you should consider this. What people say. One battery lasts about 3 weeks, depending on how much I use my controller, and when it dies, I already have a backup battery charged and ready to go. The charging station is a beast. It has a cable attached to it you can plug into a USB outlet or you can plug your own charger into one of the ports on top. There's a micro USB and USB-C charging port, so I never have to go out of my way to find a specific charger. Very convenient, and the batteries only take a couple hours to charge. Bought these 3 years ago, still use them to this day, works wonderfully and holds a near full charge after all this time. Number 1. Paladone Xbox Icons Light. This Xbox Icons Light is a fantastic way to show your passion for the iconic video game console. It's perfect for any room, gaming den, or man cave. The light offers 2 lighting modes, standard and phasing. It can be powered by USB or 3 AAA batteries, which are not included. The light comes in a full-color gift box. Use this nightlight as a desk lamp or on your nightstand. It's ideal for illuminating your man cave, bedroom, nursery, playroom, or home theater. This collectible is a unique addition to any fan's collection. Give it to anyone who loves pop culture fun, including mums, dads, kids, boys, and girls. Paladone is the best source for novelty items and all things geek. If you're looking for toys, mugs, collectibles, and novelties, this is the place to find them. What we like. This light is a stylish addition to any gaming setup, showcasing your love for the Xbox brand. It offers 2 lighting modes for different moods. If you're looking for a cool and officially licensed accessory to enhance your gaming space, it's a great choice. What people say. The lights look amazing and work perfectly. The lights are easy to install and look great. The lights are very bright and the colors are vibrant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.